My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope friends, in this video I'm talking about the XRP Ripple coin, very important update. So keep watch this video till the end, friends, and if you are new on my channel, please like this video and subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Anyways, let's start the video and let's move on. First of all, we talk about the current price of the XRP Ripple coin in the market, friends. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, the price of the XRP Ripple coin is 1.41 USD dollar, friends. And on the other hand, if you look the price changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin. So as you can see here, the last 1 hour price change as negative, and last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week price change as again negative, friends. The last 1 day price change as going positive, friends, except of the last 1 day the price changes as negative, friends. So what's mean at friends, if you look the previous time, so previous time has gone bad, friends. That means that the previous time, I'm talking about the previous last 1 week, that they are very paid fast occur the XRP Ripple coin fast down in the previous last 1 day. But if we look the last 1 day, so that's mean that yesterday the XRP Ripple coin start pumping, and at the other hand, if we look the last 1 hour, so that's mean that the last 1 hour price result is negative, friends. And I hope that this fast is a temporary fast, friends. As you can see here, as I told you that now in the XRP Ripple coin the last 1 day, friends, as I told you that the previous last 1 week pricing as negative fast occur, but now the last 1 day pricing is again start moving upwards. So that is clear that the XRP Ripple coin start moving upward, and very soon they can going to hit a 2 USD dollar, friends. As you can see here, from the previous last 1 week the XRP Ripple coin start pumping, friends. I'm talking about this, that is the 14 May, friends. Only I'm talking about the 14 May and 13. So now this time the XRP Ripple coin start pumping. So please, and as I told you, as I also show you that the last 1 hour pricing as this time also negative, friends. So I hope that this fast is a temporary fast, and after this fast they again start jumping, and they can continue this jump for a long time, friends. So what's your prediction about XRP Ripple coin? My prediction of about the XRP Ripple coin is very positive. Please tell your prediction in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe every stick channel for more this kind of news and updates.